Hello guys, welcome to my channel Civology, the study of civil engineering. Have you guys ever wondered that why it is very essential for a staircase to be perfect? Because as we know that staircases are an essential part of our building, providing a safe and convenient way to move between the floors. But have you ever stopped to think about the importance of a well-designed staircase? So guys, in this video we are going to discuss an important factor which is responsible for perfect design of staircase. Yes, these are the sizes of risers and treads. So guys, watch complete video. In this video we are going to discuss a few thumb rules which are required for making of perfect staircase or a perfect stair. Okay, so you guys are requested to watch complete video and don't forget to press the bell icon to get video updates. So let's get started. A good staircase design is crucial for safety and accessibility. A well-designed staircase should have comfortable riser and tread dimensions, adequate handrail height and design, and proper lighting and visibility system, okay, and non-slip secure surfaces and secure landings. As you guys can see over here in this picture, this is the staircase which is according to standard, the standards which we are going to discuss in this video. Have you ever thought what will happen if the slope of stair is too steep? Steep staircases can lead to increased risk of falls and injuries, difficulty navigating for people with mobility issues. So this type of staircase is highly not recommended, and the staircase which is as per standard is recommended. Okay, so how will you decide that what will be the length of tread and height of risers? So let's discuss over here. Generally, the lengths of treads and risers are given as that tread should be between 250 to 300 millimeters, and the height of riser should be between 150 to 200 millimeters, and it basically depends upon the types of the buildings. For residential building, the length of the tread should be 250 millimeters and the height of riser should be 160 millimeters. Whereas for a public building, the tread should be 300 millimeters and the riser should be 150 millimeters. And similarly for industrial buildings, it should be between 250 to 300 millimeters and the riser height should be 150 to 190 millimeters. Okay, so these are the few values which should be in your mind before designing a building and to allocate a space for a staircase. Okay, so this is very important to decide the width of tread and height of riser before designing or allocating space for staircase in any type of building. Okay, so here is the thumb rule, or you can say a ratio, which will decide whether your dimensions are in standard or not. The first rule is 2r plus t. R is for riser and T is for tread. This product, or you can say this sum, should be between 54 to 60 centimeters. Whereas the second thumb rule, or you can say the second point, is that their product should be between 400 to 430 centimeters. How it will work? Let me show you. Let's suppose that you have a staircase and the tread is 28 centimeters whereas the riser is 15 centimeters. Okay, so that's how it will work. First of all, we will take the first point, which says that 2 times run plus tread should be equal to or should lie between 54 to 60 centimeters. And now here we have assumed that the tread is 28 and riser is 15 centimeters. So by putting the value of riser and tread, we get the value of 58 centimeters. Okay, the value is 58 centimeters, which is well between this range, as this range is 54 to 60 centimeters and you have selected 28 and 15 centimeter as your tread and riser. So this is good to go, as this lies between this range. Okay, similarly for second point or second thumb rule, you can multiply it by tread and riser. That if the riser is 15 and tread is 28 centimeters, the value is 420 centimeters, which again lies between this range. Okay, so that's how you guys can decide the length of a tread and height of a riser for any type of building. So guys, that's all for today. For more videos, you are requested to please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get video updates. That's all for today.